This is me just putting my hand through, so I'm going to take it out. I'm going to walk you around the front. This will be a really short video, guys, since we're not getting in. Full of nettles, full of brambles, full of horrible thorn things that are stuck in my legs. Thank you so much to our little Dumfries mate who's been helping us how to find this place today. Of course, we wouldn't have got access to it. We wouldn't have even got to this point, to be fair. So, tiny little gap under the door. I ain't squeezing under that. You win some and you lose some. I can still see the lights. I'm going to have a walk around the front and I'll show you what it's like. So, I've done loads of exploring today. We've been to the hospital, we've been to an old church. Going to go around the front. Going around the front. And this is number 3. I'm not sure how many more we're actually going to get fit in today, because we have got to get back home. Beautiful day though. So that's it there. And then this is the original path around the front of it. It's been a lovely place, this, as you can see. It's probably been a lovely flower thing and loads of trees. And then when we walk around the front of the house, this is it here. Something stuck to my legs. So this is the front of it here. So it was sadly destroyed by fire, and it's been abandoned ever since. These were the original gates into the property. So overgrown at the front that you can't get through them with the rose bushes, but there's another way in. So there you have it, the Art Deco house, people. Apologies we couldn't get in. It does make us absolutely gutted when we can't get in. You've got to be a 4 foot nothing and skinny person to get through those gaps. Safety first, guys, but there you go, Art Deco house. If you like our videos, comment and subscribe and share with your friends.